Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Jellyfish belongs to class and the options are A. Hydrozoa, B. Scyphozoa, C. Anthozoa and D. none of these. So jellyfish are the member of phylum Coelenterata and the most common jellyfish is Aurelia. Now the jellyfishes are solitary, it means they do not form colony. Free swimming, medusoid stage or the medusa form. So when the body is free swimming and umbrella like, it means the tentacles and the mouth are facing downward. So such an umbrella like body is known as the medusa. So medusa are the zooids which are free swimming and the tentacles are or the mouth are facing downward. Now the jellyfishes belongs to which class? Now coelenterates are divided into three classes and these three classes are A. Hydrozoa, B. Scyphozoa and C is Anthozoa. So let's see what are the differences between these three classes. So Hydrozoa are the coelenterates which are colonial and which are having both polyp and medusa form, except Hydra which is only having the polyp form. But in the hydrozoans, what happens that there are two types of zooids in the colony, polyp which are the cylindrical zooids and medusa which are umbrella like zooids, and here the gonads are ectodermal in origin, means the gonads are formed of ectoderm germ layer. And the examples of hydrozoans are A. Hydra which is having only the polyp form, Obelia which is called the sea fur and it is a colonial form. Now Scyphozoa are the coelenterates which are found only in the medusa form. Here the polyp form is absent or very reduced and the gonads are endodermal in origin. So the zooids or the organisms which are having the medusa form, they belong to the class Scyphozoa and the examples are Aurelia or the jellyfishes, all jellyfishes, and Anthozoa are the coelenterates which exist only in the polyp form, and here also the gonads are endodermal in origin. So examples here are Adamsia or the sea anemone. So now from this classification it is clear that jellyfishes which are found only in the medusa form and such medusoid forms and the free swimming forms belongs to class Scyphozoa. So the right option of this question is option B. Hydrozoa, Anthozoa, jellyfishes do not belong to them. So the right answer of this question is option B. I hope this explanation is helpful. All the best.